Are you having problems with your Ring doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So I did some research, and this one right here, this fix right here, seems to be the one that helps the most people out. So as you can see, this person right here actually said like this: customer service just figured this one out. They had him disconnect any devices that was connected to his router via the Ethernet, as you can see, and he has his PS5 connected to the router, and they had him go through the device setup process again. Somehow that worked, as you can see, and basically a lot of people actually answer him as well that this actually works for him, for them as well. So what you're going to do is that you're going to make sure that you don't have any devices connected to your router via the Ethernet, as you can see. And this Ethernet, this is right, like this cable right here. So if you have any devices that is connected to your router via this cable right here, try to disconnect it and try once again. So for example, if you have your PS5 connected to your router or anything similar to that, try to disconnect it and try once again. And I would also recommend you to contact the Ring support if that doesn't work for you. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.